Right, so we've got another thing to unbox today. It actually came a couple of days ago, but I didn't bother to open it yet. I will show you the results of the other thing that I bought them, but unfortunately every time I come to pick up my camera, they decide to stop playing with it. So, let's open this. That's for me. And this, put it on the floor for now, are for the fluffies. So, just got to see how these work. Yep, it's always the younger ones that are more interested than anybody else. Ooh, they do actually smell nice. Now, they're meant to be for cats to help improve dental health. There's me thinking toothbrushes were the best, but they are quite soft. And they're meant to look like some sort of bug in the ocean. Maybe a crayfish or something like that, or a shrimp. Sort of thing. And then you get these, like, long cleaners, which will be well hidden. Otherwise, somebody may do a runner with it. And we've got these spare things. They're meant to be with catnip in. I'm sure it's something that could be made yourself. Only guessing though. So there's two of these. And so you get the choice of whether it has a bell or not, but I don't know how you get the bell on. I haven't a clue. Right, just see. There you go. Move that out of the way because you're not playing with that. What do you think? Put that on my leg. Yes. Number 2. Oh. Rhea. There you go, Shiro. They would definitely disappear then. I mean, I do know you can get these catnip sticks as well, which I do have some, but oops, I don't get by all the time. Right, so better look at them. Yeah, they look like some sort of shrimp, but obviously, or a crayfish, but in green. Do you think? So they've got something so you can clean inside. I suppose it's to stop all the build-up of lime scale. You've got these spare things that you put inside because they're meant to smell of catnip. So Rhea's going back. It's a hard work, Shiro. Oh, Shadow's having a look. Oops. Just move around a bit. Oops. So that's strong, it's getting up your nose. Oh. Rhea seems to like chewing on it. I suppose it's more ideal when you have kittens, maybe, when they're teething and they like to bite everything. I suppose these would be quite a good idea. And again, I did actually purchase these off Amazon, and there is various prices. You just got to sift through it all Because some they were asking like nearly £10, sorry, £10 plus maybe for one, or you'd get the option to have two, and this, I think it worked out about £7, £6.99, so seems quite cheap, and it's the same material, same pictures, just obviously people will just go for the first one they see and then buy it. So now I know there's two, so Ria's playing with that one. Let's see what Yoshi thinks. Being the youngest, and likes chewing people's fingers. Oh yeah, that's the result you want. Oops. Yoshi's not too sure what to make of it. I mean, I do know they can get toys that have got catnip in as well. And then you can get ones where you can replace the catnip. But you find they seem to like shrink in size, and then they get ripped easy. And then obviously you've got to get rid of them. So I'm assuming this material hopefully will be cat proof. What do you think, Yoshi? Oh, going to the one that Ria had. Let's see what Shadow thinks. There you go, Shadow. No, not impressed. I do have the odd cats that just take one look at catnip and it's like, yeah, I'm not interested. Most of them like catnip. They'll either roll in it, eat it. It's just quite funny. And then others will just not react to it in the slightest. Excuse me, you are not having the easy bits to get to. They are going to be hidden. Hidden away from Yoshi, who finds everything. Just lucky he's not learned how to open drawers or doors. Unlike Shiro and his brother. Shiro's on the right and his brother Bast is on the left. Do you think, Shadow? All four black cats are up here today. There's Athena, Shadow, Cersei, and Yoshi. I would love to try and get a picture of all four of them together, but yeah. Not always going to happen. Do you think? Not impressed? Impressed? If you're shit or Bast. Do you think? Cersei's thinking about it. Ain't you, Cersei? Nope. Got a good view of your feet, you know. Yeah. It is mostly nap time. And no, we are not having this one as well. How many boxes have you lot got? You interested? Does it smell good? Not too sure. Mainly starting to wind down now. Probably go for a sleep and then wake up again later. You were playing with one of the chaser toys earlier, weren't you, Yoshi? It's hard work for a kitten. Yes, it is. It is, isn't it? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. A lovely little boy. With your sparkly collar. And Shadow is blue. Whoops. Athena with her pink. And then her sister's done one. Yeah, that's about right. Her sister's got a silver one. Oh yeah, you're watching everybody else play. But you don't want to play with these. At least they've shown some interest in it. And chances are I'll leave them out and just see how they go out over the next few days, whether they get played with or not. I will show the other toy, but like I said, every time I bring my camera out, it's like they've got stage fright and then they do a runner. Which is quite funny. Hello, Bubbles. That's Shiro's mummy and Bast's mummy. And 3 other cats' mummy. Aren't you? You having a look, Bubbles? Do you think? Are you impressed? No. Enough said. No, she wants on the internet. No, you're on the wrong way. Yep. She's coming for a mega cuddles as usual. You really do sit in some awkward positions when you're on the...
I like to go to sleep otherwise.
Where is he? Yoshi, you're not doing your job. You're meant to jump on his legs. You do know that's your CD.
No, it's not. It's the fan.
Oh, the fan. Yeah. Well, hopefully I might be able to catch when they're all in a lot of play mode, but at the moment they're just running up and down and just wasting energy. So I'll leave these around and see how they go. Chances are one of us is going to end up stepping on it. And it's probably you, because you're the one that always stands on everything. Right, anyway, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to comment and you can't think of anything to say, just put a picture of an emoji cat. Thank you very much. Ooh, hi, Ria.